Lamb Mandi with whole shoulder, an absolute Arabian feast that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Prepare yourself for a symphony of flavors, with crispy skin enveloping tender meat in a delightful union. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Let's commence by generously pouring half a cup of oil into a large pot and introducing the charm of 2 sliced onions. Allow them to dance in the sizzling oil for a few minutes. Now let's infuse the aromatic allure. 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of whole cumin, a teaspoon each of clove, peppercorn and coriander seeds, a teaspoon of green cardamom, and the distinguished presence of 3 black cardamoms. Elevate the essence with 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 4 green chilies, 1 dried lime, and a captivating trio of Arabian Mandi spice. Let this symphony of spices serenade your senses for a glorious 3 minutes, filling your kitchen with a beautiful aroma. Gently introduce the whole lamb shoulder to this aromatic medley. Immerse it in enough water to embrace its entirety. Let the concoction come to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, and let it slow cook for 2 hours. The aim is to let the meat harmonize with the spices, reserving the crisping up for later in the oven. While this delectable creation takes shape, let's craft a sauce fit for royalty. Begin by blending 1 cup of full-fat yogurt in a food processor. Here's a secret twist. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise for a rich, creamy texture. Toss in a handful of fresh coriander, 1 carrot, 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Blend until slightly coarse, creating a sauce versatile enough to complement various dishes, including my brilliant biryani recipes featured on my channel. Now let's concoct a saffron infusion. Combine 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of orange color, a teaspoon of salt and pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of saffron strands, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 4 tablespoons of the meat broth in a bowl. Stir well and let it infuse while the meat works its magic. Returning to the succulent meat, carefully transfer it to a baking tray after it has fully cooked. Allow it to cool for 15 minutes before generously painting on the saffron mixture. Pop the tray into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, or until the skin achieves a tantalizing crisp. Now back to the broth, the essence of our rice. We will be making our rice in this. We only need 6 cups, as we are making 3 cups of rice. Rest of the broth can be used to grate soup on the side or stock for future dishes. Boil it once more and introduce 3 cups of rice. As the rice gracefully rises, cover with a lid and simmer on low for 20 minutes. Midway through, pour the remaining saffron concoction for an aromatic and visually stunning touch. Behold, A feast fit for royalty, a spectacle of brilliance achieved within 3 hours, with most of the time dedicated to allowing the meat to reach perfection. Revel in the crispy skin and tender meat, the epitome of culinary delight. Serve directly from the tray, uniting the family in a shared moment of gastronomic joy. Thank you for joining me today once again. I trust you relished this culinary adventure. Consider subscribing and sharing this experience with friends and family. Until our next gastronomic rendezvous.